We often think of exercise as something we do for our bodies, for our heart health, our muscles, our waistlines. But increasingly, science is revealing that one of the greatest beneficiaries of physical activity is the brain. Far from being a passive observer during your workouts, your brain is constantly responding, adapting, and thriving on movement. In fact, regular physical activity may be one of the most powerful tools we have to boost cognition, sharpen memory, reduce anxiety, and enhance mental clarity. And the type and intensity of movement you choose can have distinctly different effects on how your brain functions. When you move your body, you're not just increasing blood flow to your muscles, you're also increasing circulation to your brain. This delivers a surge of oxygen and nutrients that support brain cell health, while simultaneously flushing out metabolic waste. One of the most immediate effects is enhanced focus and mental clarity. Just 20 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise can lead to improved attention, faster information processing, and better problem-solving skills. These changes are due, in part, to increased production of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine, chemicals that regulate mood, alertness, and motivation. Beyond the short-term mental boost, regular physical activity creates structural changes in the brain itself. One of the most well-documented benefits is improved memory, particularly in older adults. Exercise stimulates the growth of new neurons in the hippocampus, the brain's memory center, through a process known as neurogenesis. It also enhances the connectivity between brain regions, improving both learning and recall. Over time, these changes can help delay cognitive decline and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. For those struggling with anxiety or depression, movement can serve as a potent, drug-free therapy. Physical activity reduces levels of the body's stress hormone, cortisol, while boosting endorphins, natural chemicals that relieve pain and elevate mood. Regular workouts also increase the brain's resilience to stress, making everyday challenges feel more manageable. Even low-intensity activities like walking or yoga can have profound effects on emotional regulation, helping to quiet the amygdala, the brain's fear center, and restore a sense of calm. Intensity plays a significant role in determining the specific benefits you receive. Light to moderate aerobic exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, is particularly effective for improving mood, reducing anxiety, and enhancing sustained attention. These activities activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps regulate emotion and reduce mental fatigue. On the other hand, high-intensity workouts, like sprint intervals or heavy resistance training, can provide a sharper, more immediate spike in brain chemicals related to alertness and drive. While they may be more physically demanding, they also produce greater increases in brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports neuron growth and protects against age-related decline. Interestingly, even coordination-based activities like dancing, martial arts, or sports that involve quick decision-making and movement adaptation appear to offer unique cognitive benefits. These types of exercises engage multiple parts of the brain at once: motor control, balance, memory, spatial awareness, leading to greater neuroplasticity and mental agility. They not only strengthen the body, but train the brain to be more flexible, responsive, and creative. What this all points to is a fundamental truth. The brain is not separate from the body, it is part of the body, and it needs movement to function at its best. A sedentary lifestyle doesn't just weaken the heart or muscles, it dulls the mind, saps energy, and gradually erodes emotional resilience. In contrast, even small amounts of regular movement, walking during breaks, stretching in the morning, a few minutes of activity before bed, can create powerful ripples throughout the nervous system. The good news is that these benefits are available to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. The brain is remarkably adaptable. It responds to effort, to novelty, and to challenge. And every time you choose to move, you're not just training your body, you're literally rewiring your brain for better focus, deeper memory, and a greater sense of well-being. In the end, exercise is not just heart healthy, it's brain healthy. It strengthens your mental stamina, elevates your mood, and helps you become more present, engaged, and alive. So whether you're lacing up your shoes for a walk or finishing a tough workout, remember, your brain is benefiting every bit as much as your body, and maybe even more.